Hey folks, just had a great question about this one here. This is 2306 and we're doing question 4. Sorry about the wind outside and the sirens and everything else. We are in the middle of a hurricane or cyclone or something. Okay, so let's take a look at how to solve these. Nice and straightforward. So what we're doing is we're turning these things here into fractions. We want these, and they're recurring. So let's have a look at the first one. So I've got, this is 4a, so this is 23.06. This is gamma, isn't it? It's gamma. And we've got, this is question 4a, and we've got 0.2. So I'm going to call this x. X is equal to 0.2 recurring, which is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and so on. So how do we solve this? How do we turn this into a nice fraction? Well, very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by 10. So 10 times x is equal to, this becomes 2.222, and so on. Yeah. Now we know that x is point all those 2's. So if I was to subtract x from both sides, if I was to subtract x from here and subtract x from here, really what I've done is I've got 10x minus x, which that's going to be 9x, and I've got 2.22222 minus x, which is 0.222222. So if I've got 2.222 minus 0.222 and so on, which is really what I've done here now, because I know that x is the 0.2222, and I've subtracted that from 2.2222, and I'm just going to be left with 2. So that means that 9x is equal to 2. So now, of course, I can divide both sides by 9, and that leaves me with the value of x. So the answer is 2/9. Now, I saw there was another one there which I was asked to do. This one here is slightly different. It's 0.47. So 0.47 recurring. So I'm going to say this time x is equal to 0.474747 ... So I'm going to multiply that by 100 this time, because the recurring bit is 2 places in. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 places. That's going to be 100x is going to be 47.474747. We want to find the recurring bit. So there's the recurring bit. It's both of those numbers as the recurring bit. So now I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Subtract x from here. Subtract x from here. So in effect, I'm taking off the 47.47.47. And of course, 100x minus x is 99x, which is 47. So now divide both sides by 99. So x now is 47 on 99. And there's my answer. Now, if you wanted, what you could do is you could say, well, hang on, 47 on 99. Let's just check that. 47 on 99 and say, oh, can I simplify that? No, didn't simplify. So 47/99 is the actual fraction. That is the actual answer. So that is how I would simplify those for gamma 2306 exercise question 4a, and I'll put also comma 4b here as well. So hopefully that makes sense. It's out of focus. Why is it out of focus? Going to focus. Going to focus. Going to focus. It's not focusing. Okay, anyway, you get the idea.